If you want to convert a horizontal video to vertical in Premiere Pro, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to turn a landscape clip into a vertical 9:16 format for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, and other mobile-first platforms. We'll cover the best manual method, the automatic Auto Reframe method, and a blurred background option if you want to avoid cropping important parts of the video. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The best method is to start with a vertical sequence. In Premiere Pro, go up to File, then choose New, and then click Sequence. This opens the sequence settings, where you can customize the frame size. Click the Settings tab, and under Frame Size, change the values to 1080 by 1920. That gives you a vertical 9:16 sequence, which is the standard format for mobile video. Once those settings are entered, click OK. Now it's time to bring in your horizontal video. Drag your clip into the new vertical sequence. At first, it may look too zoomed in or cropped, and that's completely normal. Since the original footage is widescreen, Premiere Pro is fitting it into a portrait frame. The good news is, you can easily adjust the framing so your subject stays visible and centered. To do that, select the clip in the timeline and go to Effect Controls. Under Motion, you'll see the Scale and Position controls. If the subject looks too large or cut off, reduce or increase the scale until the framing feels right. Then, adjust the position left or right, and if needed, slightly up or down, so the most important part of the scene stays in the vertical frame. This is the best option when you want full control over the final look. If you want Premiere Pro to handle more of the work automatically, there's also the Auto Reframe feature. To use it, select your sequence or the clip you want to convert, then go to Sequence and choose Auto Reframe Sequence. A window will appear, and from there you can choose Vertical, which is 9:16. Click Create, and Premiere Pro will generate a new vertical sequence that follows the action in your video. This is especially useful if your subject moves a lot, because the software will automatically track and reframe the shot for you. Now, if you don't want to crop the sides of your horizontal video at all, there's another great option, a blurred background. This method keeps your main video visible while filling the empty vertical space in a stylish way. To do this, duplicate your clip so you have one copy on V1 and another copy on V2. Select the bottom clip on V1, then increase the scale so it fills the entire vertical frame. After that, apply a Gaussian blur effect to the bottom layer to turn it into a soft background. Then go to the top clip on V2 and keep it normal or lightly adjusted, centered over the blurred background. This creates a clean, professional vertical edit without losing any part of the original shot. Once your video looks the way you want, the final step is exporting it correctly. Go to File, then Export, then Media. Make sure the export settings are set to 1080 by 1920, so the final file stays vertical. Double check that the aspect ratio is correct before exporting, because this is the part that determines whether your video will upload properly to Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or other platforms. So to quickly recap, you can convert horizontal video to vertical in Premiere Pro by creating a vertical sequence, adjusting the clip with motion controls, using Auto Reframe for an automatic version, or building a blurred background if you want to preserve the full image. Each method has its place, and the best one depends on the style of your video and how much of the original frame you want to keep. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.